Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and navigating directly to Settings. This gets you to the notification controls immediately. On Android, tap the three dots, then Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom tab. Once in Settings, choose Notifications so you can change message and call ringtones separately. Make sure the ringtone you want is already on your phone or available in the system tones. This avoids interruptions later. This initial step ensures you're in the right place to switch, sounds efficiently, and consistently. You now pick which notification type to change: individual messages, group chats, or calls. Once chosen, tap ringtone on Android or sound on iPhone to open the picker so you can preview options. You can select a built-in system tone or add a custom audio file from your phone's storage. Adding gives more personalization. After you hear the preview, confirm the selection to assign it. This step customizes how you recognize different chat types and reduces missed or confusing alerts. Finish by confirming the new ringtone and testing it with a quick message or call so you verify sound and volume. If the custom tone doesn't play, make sure the file format is supported. MP3 or M4A usually works, and that WhatsApp has permission to access storage. Once done, restart WhatsApp or reboot your phone if the change doesn't show up right away. This refreshes the app's sound cache. These final steps ensure the tone is applied reliably and help you resolve common hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.